Hey, traders! It's November 27, 2024, and we've just wrapped up another eventful trading day in the Forex market. Today, we're diving into what moved the markets, breaking down key levels to watch, and forecasting what you need to know for the next trading day. Stay tuned because this is packed with actionable insights you don't want to miss. Let's kick it off with the euro-dollar pair, which saw some interesting volatility today. After the release of US GDP data this morning, the pair tested the 1.0850 resistance but couldn't hold it. That drop back toward the 1.0750 level hints at market hesitation as we head into the end of the week. Looking at tomorrow, we've got initial jobless claims out of the US which could create another shakeup in this pair. Traders, keep an eye on 1.0725 as a key support level. A break below that might open the door to fresh selling pressure. Switching gears to cable, the pound-dollar pair. The UK inflation data earlier this week spurred some renewed optimism for pound bulls, pushing the pair to 1.2650. But with Federal Reserve commentary pointing to a possible pause in rate hikes, the dollar's strength kept gains in check. Tomorrow, I'm watching the 1.2580 pivot zone. A move above could signal another test of the 1.2700 handle, but a rejection could bring the pair back to 1.2500. Now, let's talk about $2 pairs that are always worth tracking. US dollar to Japanese yen touched 150.25 today, as traders digested mixed economic signals from Japan. The BOJ's stance remains dovish, but intervention rumors are still swirling. My advice? Watch the 149.50 support. If that breaks, it could spark fresh downside momentum. Meanwhile, US dollar to Canadian dollar is battling the 1.3750 level. With oil prices climbing this week, the loonie has shown resilience. Tomorrow's crude inventory data out of the US will be crucial for this pair. I'd focus on 1.3700 as a near-term support, with 1.3800 acting as a tough resistance zone. Speaking of oil, it's been a driver not just for CAD but also for broader market sentiment. WTI crude is hovering near $80 a barrel. That's lending support to commodity-linked currencies like the Aussie and Kiwi. Keep an eye on Australian dollar to US dollar around 0.6600 and NZD/USD at 0.6000. Both are trading near critical levels. So, what's on the docket for tomorrow? Besides US jobless claims and crude inventories, we've got some minor reports from Europe and Japan. But the real focus will remain on how traders position themselves ahead of Friday's US consumer sentiment data. The market mood could get choppy as liquidity starts thinning out before the weekend. Before you dive into tomorrow's trades, let's talk strategy. Volatility can create opportunities, but it also means risk. Make sure your position sizes are manageable, and don't forget to place stop-loss orders. Trust me, one bad trade can wipe out a week's worth of gains if you're not careful. Alright, that's a wrap for today's analysis. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily market updates. Drop a comment below if you have questions about any specific currency pair or trading strategy. I'd love to hear from you. Let's crush it tomorrow, traders. Until next time, trade smart and stay ahead of the market.